Ayun, no? Muli, nagbabalik. Mindo si Zero. Yan. Medyo ilang araw din tayo hindi nakapag-upload tungkol dito sa mga pabali-balita ngayon. Nahuli na yung nakatakas. Tapos, ito namang si Katapang na parang bata kung pagsabihan ng mga congressman. Nakakatawa, mga kababayan, ha? Nakakatawa itong Katapang na ito. Obserbahan nyo ito, ha? Naku, parang bata ito na general, ganyan ng ano, hindi maintindihan eh. Director pa naman, oh. Panoorin natin.
It was later that
sagutin mo.
No, your Mr. Chair.
You do not know
No.
that they are in-laws? O sige, tuloy mo dyan ang Katapang. Paano? Nag-resign na. Sige, paano uli nakabalik? Napakagulo eh.
Alam nyo kung ako lang ginaganyan, magre-resign na ako. Matanda ka na, tapos gaganyanin ka.
Ikaw naman, general eh. Alam mo yun eh, sa armed forces ganyan eh.
Kaya nga, general nga eh. Pagsabihan, parang bata. Pagka ako ganyan, magre-resign na ako. Magbaback out na ako dyan.
Sa PNP, ganyan din. Huwag kang magtaas ng kamay. Angie Bautista, I will come to you.
Yan, manda ka rin, Angie Bautista.
Antayin mo yung tanong ko. Alam mo, General, Juan eh. They should be able to provide your information without you looking back. General Katapang, I think I heard you na pinapayagan mo na magkaroon ng cellphone ng mga cellmates. Would that be true? Tanong ko is, ang tanong ko hindi ko naman tinatanong kung yun naitititi. Ang tinatanong ko, alawin yun. Saan sila nakakaroon ng 2,000 pesos? Sino yung provider?
May I ask my BBC to explain because I'm really privy to that.
Ibig sabihin, nakapasok yan na wala man lang proseso. Madam Bautista entered the V4 as a casual. And when was that, Mr. Chair?
Of what
What
year?
year?
2019.
2019.
So in
So
4
in 4
years
years,
from
from
Casual,
casual,
naging
naging
superintendent,
superintendent at saka naging head ng Correctional Institute for Women. Hindi mo ba kayo nagtataka? You're wondering. I do not know. Ang bilis from casual to jail superintendent. Tapos naging head pa na Correctional Institute for Women. Can you explain that, General Katapang?
Mr. Chair, I did not appoint her because it was
Kasi ikaw ngayon ang head eh. Or your director for personnel can answer these questions.
when Miss Angie Bautista worked with Bufor, he applied for the job in 2019. Unfortunately, she resigned. Kailan ka nag-resign?
May 15, 2020, sir.
May resign ng May 15, 20?
2020 po, sir. Ay, Miron.
2020. O sige, tuloy mo dyan ang Katapang. Paano? Nag-resign na. Sige, paano uli nakabalik? Napakagulo eh.
He applied again for a position of HEA when I came in as the new DG.
So, when you came in, General Katapang, civilian na siya kasi resigned eh. And then she applied for the position of HEA. Tama ba?
Yes, Mr. Chair, you're correct, Mr. Chair.
Now, did she pass all the requirements to become a HEA?
Yes, Mr. Chair, Your Honor, because he went through the process of being appointed, Mr. Chair.
Yung kwan, hindi ko naman kwan, yung mga qualifications and documents. Ikaw naman, General eh. Alam mo yun eh, sa process ganyan eh. Sa PNP, ganyan din.
Yes, Mr. Chair, she is qualified for the position, Your Honor.
Disqualified. Ang nakapagtataka, nung pumasok siya sa Bucor noon, casual lang ang binigay sa kanya. Right? And because of the orders given by General Bantat, naging jail superintendent. Tama. Huwag kang magtaas ng kamay. Angie Bautista, I will come to you. Antayin mo yung tanong ko.
Yes, her appointment orders were signed by the previous DG, Your Honor.
Yes. Could you please tell me, doon sa pagpapasa doon sa board, ano ba ang mga schooling ni Miss Angie Bautista aside from yung course
Wala.
na tinapos niya?
Sagot.
Alam mo, General Juan noong si General Lacson ang nagde-defend ng budget ng Juan, hindi siya pwedeng lumingon. Kasi napakahirap yung head ng institution ng PNP na tuwing tatanungin, lilingon-lingon.
Iyon.
Your people should do
Nagtuturo.
something so that you will not do that.
Naghanap ng
They should be
ituturo.
able to provide your information without you looking back.
Iyon. Naghanap siya ng ituturo niya eh.
Tama?
Parang bata.
Yes, Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
Yes. Ano po ang, kung nirevisan nyo talaga yung records ni Madam Bautista, ano po yung mga schooling na go niya? Kasi,
Unfortunately, Mr. Chair, they are still looking for the documents. I beg your indulgence, Mr. Chair, Your
Yes.
Honor.
I don't, and therefore, what conclusion could you take from your statement?
That's part of the...
What conclusion could we take from your statement na hindi nyo na-vet properly?
I think he was vetted properly.
Yung schooling, sino ang head ng board na nag-kwan sa kanya?
Yes, selection board.
Sino ang head nun?
At that time, Your Honor, it was Brigadier General Aro. He was the head of the
Are you aware that General Aro and Madam Bautista are related?
It was later that
No,
I...
sagutin mo.
No, Your Honor. No, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
You don't
Parang
know.
bata.
No,
Pagalitan. Yan ang general.
no, Mr. Chair.
Katapang daw. Kung,
You don't know
kung
that.
sabunin, parang bata.
Unfortunately, Mr. Chair, Your Honor, I
Yes.
did not know that.
Kasi nagtataka ako, hindi nyo makita kung anong schooling na ginawa o pinasukan ni Madam Bautista. Because from being a jail officer 1 up to her retirement sa BGMP, wala siyang schooling per records of the Bureau of Jail Management and Penology. And that's why she retired. She made an undertaking that she would retire on a certain year kasi ayaw niyang mag-schooling. Do you know that?
No, Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
Aba, kung ganyan,
Mr. Chair.
Tanga-tangahan.
We do not
General,
want
tanga-tangahan.
to always shake her head every time a question is being asked.
So Mr. Speaker, Superintendent Angie, you are reminded not to make any facial gesture on this committee. Otherwise, we will be citing you in contempt.
My apology, Mr. Chair.
Okay, your apology is accepted. Go ahead, Congressman Ako.
so your vetting process was not conducted efficiently, General Katapang.
Yes, Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
Now, General Katapang, I think I heard you na pinapayagan mo na magkaroon ng cellphone ng mga cellmates. Would that be true?
No, Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
Yung Wi-Fi.
The Wi-Fi is needed for the laptop, Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
And you allow the PDLs to avail of that.
Yes, Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
May I know the rationale behind this?
Because of the First, the laptop was donated by the...
Hindi, ang tanong ko
Ang layo ng sagot ng general. Lutang.
ang tanong ko hindi ko naman tinatanong kung ano yung security. Ang tinatanong ko, the rationale behind allowing it.
It was part of the Philippine Development Plan that we allow e-Dalaw system to be implemented.
P-Dalaw system.
E-Dalaw system, Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
Nako.
Okay, now, during the term of General Bato de la Rosa there were scramblers put there, right?
Yes, Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
Nandun pa rin sila?
Yes, Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
Are they working?
Yes, Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
Kasi, General Katapang, may nasi-switch on and off yan, di ba? Nagwardya?
Yes, Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
Yung prosek ng justice, alam niya ito dahil yung trial yung hearing ni General de Lima, lumapat lahat ito na ginawang hanap buhay din yun. Kasi binabayaran yung nagsiswitch on and off ng pag-scramble ng mga messages. Alam nila yung time na papatayin Would that be true?
I will assume, yes, Mr. Chair,
Yes.
Your Honor.
And during after the hearing of the case of the Honorable de Lima, then, inalis lahat ang kubul doon. Would that be true also?
Totoo.
Yes, Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
Yes. Now, sino kaya ang nagsabi na pwede na uling magtayo ng kubul doon?
Si Katapang.
Mr. Chair, I allowed the putting up of the makeshift quarters in as
Siya ang
much
pumayag eh. Siya
that we
nagkalat
cannot
eh.
anymore put inside the PDLs because at any one time there are about 3,000 to 4,000 who are just sleeping at the basketball court in open space, Mr. Chair. Now it's a rainy season. I have to allow them to put up the...
Sino po kaya yung nag-a-avail dun sa kubul na yun?
My specific guidance, Mr. Chair, is everybody should be accommodated, even those kubul that were not destroyed. Make sure that if that kubul can accommodate about 20 persons, you allow them. That's my specific instruction to the management of the New Bilibid prison. As much as we want to be fairness for everyone, as stated by...
Paano po masusunod yun? Alam po ninyo, yung sa investigasyon yung de Lima case dito, kung sino ang makapag-avail sa ano yun? Kubul na yun, ay may binabayaran. Yes. Were you aware of that? Na noong buwan ganon?
Yes, Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
And did you make sure na walang nabayaran nung in-authorize mo yung pagpapatayo ng kubul ulit?
Yes, Mr. Chair, Your Honor, because I always talk to the commanders that there should be proper accounting on the kubol that are being put up in their respective barangays, Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
Yung pong sinabi ninyo na pwedeng magpasok ng mga food kasi human right ng mga ating mga
PDL.
ng ating mga PDLs. I would agree with that, provided you come up with strict measures to see to it na hindi makapasok yung kontraband. But as it is, I think last April may nakapasok na kontraband because of this protocol. Tama po ba?
We are still verifying that, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Yes. Kasi sa investigasyon sa de Lima case, the illegal drug operations continue even outside the National Penitentiary. if you want to read the report of the committee report of that committee, then nandun sa findings na yun. It's there. You can get a copy of that from the archives of this house. Nandun yung mga findings.
Yes, Mr. Chair, Your Honor, we will do that.
Now, would it be correct na inallow mo yung mga PDS na mag-transact ng business in the amount of 2,000 pesos?
Yes, Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
Saan po nila gagamitin yung 2,000 pesos na yun?
Mr. Chair, that is good for 1 week and they use it to buy their food and their medicines which we cannot provide.
1 week, ha? Sabi
Yes,
mo,
Mr. Chair.
if I am not mistaken, sabi mo 1 day. Ngayon, 1 week na. So, you are amending it.
I stand corrected, Mr. Chair.
Yes. So 1 week, so in a month, 8,000.
Yes, Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
May I know the protocol, how this PDS would avail of that?
Unfortunately,
Paano sila nagkakaroon ng 2,000 pesos? At saan?
there's previously during the pandemic, there was a provider who
Sino yung provider?
he is available, Mr. Chair, Your Honor,
What's
for
the name of the provider?
as investigated during the Senate hearing. Her name is Molly Mondiar, if I'm not mistaken, Your Honor.
Yan, how was she
Director, hindi
able
niya alam
to
kung sino yung nagpo-provide.
engage in that kind of work
Ano ba
there
naman
inside
yan?
the National Bilibid Prison?
May I ask my BBC to explain?
Kayo na bahala
because,
mga
I'm not
kababayan kung anong
really privy.
masasabi nyo yan kay Katapang. Kayo nang bahala. Marami siyang hindi alam sa loob ng Bucor. Pati pangalan lang di niya alam. Di ba yan?
To that,
Ibig sabihin, nakapagyan na wala man lang proseso, hindi man lang siya napili.
there's biddings, Your Honor, signed way back January 19, 2023, the prohibition of personnel engaged in GCash business among persons deprived of liberty and accreditation of General Merchandise as official GCash courier within the Bureau or Bilibid Prison, Mr. Chair.
Pero, bakit may GCash?
Because that happened during the pandemic, Your Honor. There was no visitation.
Wala na pandemic ngayon.
Oo,
We
wala
still
na.
allow it.
I'm asking my staff to review the procedure.
No, I'm asking for your personal opinion.
Correct.
Personally, I'd like to disallow it, Mr. Chair.
Aha, ganon?
Siguro. And may I know kung sino nga yung nag-engage ng nakuha nag-operate ng GCash system ninyo dyan?
Mr. Chair, she's present now here. It can be
Turo siya na kagad, turo kagad.
explain.
Gusto ko lang malaman. Sino po siya?
He was called
Yes na naman,
his name is
babae.
Molly
Saan siya?
His na naman, babae.
Molly Abihar. Mr. Chair is now here
His
for
now.
because the chair already asked for her presence here, Mr. Chair.
Did you?
Yes, we asked yung mga nagnenegosyo, we asked them to be present, like sa bilang, even the caterer, invite natin, and then sa GCash. What the name of the girl?
Molly Abihar, Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
Okay, so, can you kindly invite her inside so we can take her oath?
General Katapang.
Yes, Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
How was she chosen?
He went through a process by approved by the Directorate for Security and Operations.
Sino pong nag-approve nun?
Superintendent Robert Veneracion, Mr. Chair.
Is he with with the Bureau of Corrections.
Right now, he's in Mindoro, Mr. Chair, as the superintendent in that facility in Sablayan Division and Penal Farm, Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
And would you know that dating PDL yan?
No, Mr. Chair.
Ganon?
Superintendent.
Hindi alam.
Mr. Chairman, Madam Chair, I would like to remind Congressman Ako that expired na po. So, we will be asking for an extension. The indulgence of all the members.
I will ask my...
There's go ahead, but I'm just asking the indulgence of those who want to terminate as well to give Congressman Ako an extended time, no? So, we'll be extending your time, Congressman Ako.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Hindi po nyo alam na dating PDL to?
As regards Molly Adahan is a former PDL.
Yes, she's the one operating the GCash.
Yes, Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
Yes. Kasi ang report sa akin, lahat ng relatives ng PDL dyan, kung gusto nila magpadala ng pera dun sa mga kamag-anak nila doon, siya ang tinatawagan. Tama?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Siya ang pinadadalahan ng GCash. Tama?
Yes, Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
Sino po pinagdadalhan niya ng pera sa loob ng MVP?
May I ask, Your Honor, the person we are talking about is already here. Can he be allowed to explain?
Ibig nyo sabihin, hindi nyo alam kung sino yung ngayon si Molly. Sige.
Lagi niya alam eh.
Ito na yung pinadala na ako ng pera ng mga relatives ng mga PDL. Saan ko dadalhin itong pera nito? Sa loob ng NBP, nasa labas ako.
He will give it to the Secretary of the overall Secretary of the PDL in the name of Mr. Cadiz. Cadiz Edgardo Cadiz, Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
Yun po yung nangyayari.
Yes,
PDL din yung si Cadiz.
He is the Secretary General of all the PDLs in newly limited division, Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
So what is the Secretary General? Kasama ba sa official operations ng Kwan? Diyan sa loob sa Bureau of Prison? Inaalam niyo yun? Eh sila lang ang pwedeng magtatakbo sa
That's the money of the PDL. That's why we never came into possession of that money.
Asking you the question whether you have touched the money or not. Tinatanong ko lang yung proseso eh.
I think, Mr. Chair, that process is wrong and I'm opposing that process, Mr. Chair.
Yeah. Eh kasi, paano
Maraming
nangyayari
sablay
yun?
nito, si Katapang, grabe.
You should come up with a system na within the bounds of rules and regulations. Hindi outside the rules and regulations. Kasi nangyayari yan dahil nilalaw mga dating nakaupo dyan. Nakaupo pa rin dyan, as far as I know.
Yes, Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
That's why I told you before, I do not envy you. Kasi nakapaligiran ang mga negosyante. Diba?
Yes, Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
Yes, pati yung catering, nabusisi noon. Investigasyon ni Secretary Lima.
Sino kaya pumapayag niya na magkaganyan din daming negosyo?
Yeah. Alam mo yung hearing nyo doon, ginawa ng Senate?
Oh.
May mga nauna doon ng mga tao. Tinignan, may bilyaran, may kwan. Pero nung pumunta na yung mga senador, wala na naman ngayon, malinis na. To tell you frankly.
Siyempre, alam na rin.
May mga text sa akin na nagagaling sa loob. Nasabi ko na sa'yo. Kaya alam ko yung nangyayari.
Nakamimi kayo, ano?